Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. In this video, I don't know what I'm going to call it, but it's going to be like, I just traced this Forever Friends and it's pretty cool, pretty sharp. But in lieu of taking and filling in every one of these spots with black, and the only problem is if you select them all and fill them all in with black, they don't look very good, or I don't think they look very good. So what I would suggest is move like the aprons over, move the face parts over. Even you could fill in that mouth, fill in the eyes, and you could keep going as far as you want to go. And then now you're going to lose a little bit of detail in the dots, but you could change that too, and then just select fill on that. And then you'd want to make sure this is not a hairline and scaled with object. And then I would actually take this and right click no outline, so it won't cause a problem if it's ever a hairline, and then just move these back. I think it added a lot of detail and makes it look a lot better. And then Control G and group those together, and then you can make them whatever size you want, and they'll stay. Now, I just shared these two on my Facebook page. And just looking at it, maybe this one isn't. I'm gonna have to break it apart and just see how thick that line is. And then click off your item and click on that line. And it's 503 points, so it's good. The other one just looked a little thicker. So these two are already on my Facebook page, and it's very similar to this one, and called Forever Friends. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.